maybe by the time
all these ones come out,
the pain will,
the pain will be okay.
yes. I'm not going to see me.
Still more, but it will be okay. By the time all these ones come out now, it will be okay. Don't forget another MS's busy.
What?
Another kidney dish. Even the yellow one, that yellow one. And these things, they are important to they don't come out, they will just keep popping out in other areas. See a little bit left. This will give you a whole lot of relief.